In this video, we'll go through how to edit the written text on your website. The first step is to enable the visual builder for the page you want to edit using one of the three methods we covered in a previous lesson. Our preferred method is to navigate to the page on the front end of the website and click Enable Visual Builder in the toolbar. Next, scroll to the place where the text you want to edit is located. Editing text can be done in two different ways in the Visual Builder. The first method offers the most amount of design control over the text in question. To use this method, simply hover over the module containing the text and click on the settings icon in the toolbar to open the settings pop-up. Within the pop-up, you'll see the text within an editor that contains various options, such as the ability to style the text or add a hyperlink. Keep in mind that the default design settings are set in the Design tab on the module and can be adjusted there. This includes the text color, boldness level, size, font, and many other options. Once you finish editing the text, remember to click the green check mark to save and exit the module. The second method of editing text is more streamlined and designed to be as intuitive as editing a Word document. All you'll need to do is place your cursor or highlight the text you wish to edit within the Visual Builder and start typing. You also see a toolbar pop up with limited options for styling, as well as hyperlinking text. If you wish to hyperlink the entire module to another page or an external link, open the settings and select the Link tab. Paste in the desired link into the hyperlink field provided. As you can see, editing text is quite intuitive on the Visual Builder. Remember to save and publish your changes before exiting the Visual Builder. Please join us for the next lesson where we learn how to add new pages.